So hello everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can actually create a larger text area box where you can write a large text. For example, for adding comments we need large text. Earlier we were actually creating some simple input boxes just like input type text, and then there was a name attribute. Inside that we were specifying the name. For example, let's say I'm adding a comment. That's it. And if I add a label as well, enter comment, let's say. So this looks fine, but not best, because we can specify input type text, but it will not be good for the larger text because we'll not be able to see the data which we wrote earlier, and we cannot compare that with the later one. Obviously, we can give height and width to it, but that will be an extra headache, so we'll not be giving that. Instead of creating a small input type text for giving a large data to the user, or for accepting a large data from the user, we can remove this and instead create a text area in field. So what this text area will do is it will actually add a text area, so it can be self-closing as well. So I can write name attributes like the others, but we don't specify any type attribute here. We can specify the comment again. So this will be bigger than a normal text area, and we can also resize that according to our need. You can see that here is the text area. So I can resize that as well. Like you can see that I can make it like I can customize the width and the height of that element or that field. So it is generally used for adding larger text. So you can use this one, and I can add a BR to it so it will look good. In here also you can specify the value attribute if you want. So for example, if you want to add a value, so you can specify that sample text, let's say. So that will be presented to you inside the field. Or in this you can remove that value, and in between you can specify that, for example, sample text. So that will be presented to you. You can see that. So this is a little bit different in text area. So this is how we add a text area input in form.